your prayer?
I pray that I would be here standing in courage and honesty and pray with God with me.
Alright, so I think God answered your prayer for this evening. So are you ready?
Yes.
So since you are, can you pick your lucky number? And it is picture number 4.
The picture depicts a student struggling in an exam. I can relate to this because I am also a student here in NDKC. I also struggle, but with the help of our dear Lord Jesus, I am sure that I can pass it anytime, any soon. And with the help of my fellow student and teacher teaching me what to know and how to answer this question and all in an exam, I know that I can do it, and I believe in the dear God, Jesus, and myself. Thank you.